In order to find the measure of the angle that we're looking for, we're first going to construct a right triangle based off the point that is on the terminal side. So we have an x-coordinate of 1, we're going to move right 1. We have a y-coordinate of -3, so we're going to move down 3, and then we're going to connect to that point to get us our hypotenuse, and from there we can use Pythagorean theorem to determine that the value of the hypotenuse is the square root of 10. Now the angle that we're looking for is the angle that starts on 0 degrees and moves all the way around into the 4th quadrant. But the angle we're going to find first is actually the reference angle inside the triangle. Now because this isn't one of our special triangles, we're going to use tangent in order to determine our angle value. So we know that the tangent of any angle in a triangle is the opposite over the adjacent side. And we know the opposite over the adjacent side in this right triangle. So we have the tangent of theta is equal to 3 over 1. Now this means that the angle measure itself is going to equal the arctan, or the inverse tangent, of 3 over 1, which is approximately 71.57 degrees. Now because we have this reference angle of 71.57 degrees inside our triangle, and we're in the 4th quadrant, the procedure is to take an entire loop around the circle, 360 degrees, and subtract our reference angle. So we're going to subtract 71.57 degrees, and that will give us our answer in degree form, which will be 288.43 degrees. Now to convert this into radians, we need to multiply this by pi over 180 degrees. This is going to give us 288.43 times pi in the numerator and 180 degrees in the denominator, which will simplify down to roughly 1.602 pi. So our final answer is going to be that the smallest possible angle measure is either 288.43 degrees or 1.602 pi radians.